All right, Justin, we're here today at the GAWDA SMC. We're under the GasPros banner, which is not what we've used to seeing you as. So can you tell us about the new branding?
Absolutely, Steve. So historically, our company has been known as Tekno Valves North America, and we're undergoing a name change to GasPros. And GasPros is a distribution name for us to where we can have a couple of different manufacturers under this larger distributor name.
Absolutely. So for the distributors that come meet you here, what's the message that you want to get to them? What would be like a home run outcome for you coming out of the show?
Well, that everything that you've come to know and expect from Tekno Valves North America, you can now get from GasPros, right? That customer service, the quick delivery, the fair and competitive pricing, all of that stays, along with some additional manufacturers, additional products that we can add to our portfolio.
Absolutely. So we're about halfway through the year here. We got half the year left. What are you really excited about for the rest of the 2025?
I think mostly getting in front of the customers and showing them these new products that we have to offer. That's exciting. For years, we've had just the Tekno Valve, and of course, the Tekno Valve will still be, our largest product and one that we will talk about every single time. But in addition to that, we do have some additional products for the fill plants, mostly for the spec gas labs, that we're really anxious to talk to you about.
Absolutely. So you mentioned the new products that got you jacked up. I think you have some of them here today. Can you tell us about these new products and why they're such a great product for GAWDA distributors?
Absolutely, yeah. So in the fill plant, we have the hoses, cryogenic, industrial, pigtails, tube trailer hoses, a full line of the hoses. Additionally, we have quick connects available for all of the different applications. And then we also have a line we're really excited to announce about is Spectron gas control equipment. So these are panels, they're manifolds, different things like that, switchover manifolds that we'll be really interested in talking more to the labs about.
Absolutely.
Regulators also, sorry.
No, absolutely. So for those who see this, get excited about the new offerings that you got, where can they find more information about that?
Yeah, we're about to launch our new website, gaspros.com, and then of course all the guys on our team will now come to you under the GasPros name. So you can reach out to the same guys that you always have, or myself, and we'll be happy to get you in touch with the right people.
Perfect. Justin, really excited about the new company. Anything that you want to leave viewers with before we go today?
Just thank you for the support. Thank you for making Tekno Valves North America successful, and thank you for your additional support as we go into this new venture with GasPros.
Perfect. Well, Justin, really excited about what's to come, and we'll be in touch.
Thanks, Steve.
Thanks, man.